sorrow to the darkened sky in its rage. But the white bird just sits in her cage, unknown. White bird must fly, she will die.
gonna go back up?
Yay, we're finally on it!
Hi there!
See the sidewalk just goes straight down.
Can you see down there? A little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, look at all these people walking it. Nobody's walking it up.
You can't walk down the curve line.
Consider, I didn't realize how many people walked it.
Well, you
Probably
can't,
good for getting pictures.
you can't walk on the street because there's a sign that says pedestrian. Just like a big tourist spot.
Nice parking spot.
On Google Maps.
It's the curviest road in the world, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think so.
On Google Maps, there's
It's
this
hard to
little
believe.
circle with a
It's
wall.
your
And there's Telegraph Hill.
You'll have to look up Wheelie King when he did a wheelie. A guy on a motorcycle did a wheelie all the way either up or down the road. I can't remember.
Yay, we're gonna be on Facebook.
I can't believe how many people are.
Better wave.
I don't remember
Isn't
having all
that
these people
interesting?
around
Yeah.
when I did